All right, folks, today we got a fresh trade-in here for you. This here's a 2016 Honda Accord. It's a sportier package. So take a look. We got the front fog lights, delayed headlights on the vehicle as well, including the breakaway mirror. Let me show you the actual space in the back. It's going to shock you for sure. We'll go in the back here and take a look. Okay, I was going to let you know for sure about the back. Got ample trunk space. Take a look here. From front to distance for sure. You see exactly what all you can place in there, whether it's groceries, whether you're moving some small items, either or. If you look at the bottom here, you got the fold-away just as well, so you can see the actual kit you have just in case matters. Make sure you're all okay in the front and the back side when it comes to the trunk. If you come on the side here, I want you to take a look at the space that you have just inside for the passengers for the back seat. With the cup holders, you also got your mats there as well. A nice leather cloth type finish when it comes to the actual vehicle for it to be in the sported package. You have power steering, paddle shifters, a nice little LCD screen to take a look for any of your backup camera. There's a whole bunch of things inside of here for you. And I'm just to go over some, I'd like you to come in and take a look at this. All right, my name is Michael McKenna here at Delaney Honda. Okay, this here is definitely something unique, definitely something different as it's fresh trade-in. Come see me though. 125 Lenz Rd, right across your street from Walmart, Indiana, PA 15701. To reach me, 724-465-9193. Come in, take a look at this sportier vehicle here for the Honda Accord, and let's see if you can enjoy the ride.